Situated in Scotland's central belt, Glasgow is that country's second largest city, and is situated about 50 miles west of the Scottish capital, Edinburgh. Starting off as a fishing village, Glasgow expanded during the Industrial Revolution to become a city renowned for shipbuilding. Today, it proudly blends the historic with the modern, embraces its working-class roots, and is bursting with creativity. Glasgow is no stranger to hosting major events. It has hosted the 2014 Commonwealth Games, and the COP26 Climate Change Conference in 2021. Located on the banks of the River Clyde is the Hydro Arena. Its amphitheatre-inspired design has a capacity of 14,500, and was featured in the Netflix Eurovision movie, The Story of Fire Saga. Next door to the Hydro is the Armadillo, which would make an ideal press centre. Conveniently, the BBC Scotland studios are located just across the Clyde, providing an ideal base for producers. Glasgow has excellent public transportation, with buses, rail links, and a modest metro line. The campus is served by its own train and bus stations. As a host city, Glasgow is ideal, as much of the McKechnie infrastructure is central, and adjacent to each other. The city boasts many open spaces that would be suitable for a Eurovision village, such as the 146-acre Glasgow Green, which is Britain's oldest public park. Sites such as Kellingrove Park, or even the banks of the Clyde, would be beautiful settings for the turquoise carpet. And the much-loved, as well as spacious, SWG3 could be used for the Euro Club. If you want to explore Glasgow further, the West End features a wide range of independent shops, bars, cafes and restaurants. Merchant City is a hotspot for the LGBT community, with the majority of venues being on Virginia Street. There are a number of galleries and museums in Glasgow, such as the Museum of Modern Art, or the Kellingrove Art Gallery and Museum. Explore the 12th century cathedral, or just outside the city are the ruins of Bothwell Castle. Or just relax in Glasgow's numerous green spaces. Its Gaelic meaning, Dear Green Place, isn't for nothing. There are so many reasons for Eurovision 2023 to be in Glasgow. The question is, will you?